So, welcome back, bien revenu, everybody. Wilson has just left the room, so I'm going to carry on with the rest of the lesson now. We did some revision then on France, the French language, gender, bit of pronunciation, the fruits, the pens and the colours, okay, and also our numbers on to 20. Now I want to look at les animaux. Hein? Donc, on va commencer. So here are some I prepared quite some time ago. I hope you like them. So we have un singe. Il y a un singe. Donc le singe, il s'appelle Serge. So that's quite a popular French name. Il s'appelle Serge. As we go through, you might like to give these animals some names, saying il s'appelle or elle s'appelle. So we've got je m'appelle Suzanne. Then you've got comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? And then we've got il s'appelle. It's a boy. Le singe. Il s'appelle Serge. Okay, next one. C'est quel numéro après un? We have deux. Très bien. Deux lapins. So this is il s'appelle Jacques. Elle s'appelle Gilles. Okay, Jacques is really a French name. Gilles, not so much, but we're going to illustrate this in a song later on, okay? So, il s'appelle Jacques, elle s'appelle Gilles. Deux lapins. Next one. Trois chiens. So, should we count these together? Un, deux, trois. Hein? Très bien. Après trois, we have quatre souris. Now I want to talk to you a little about these because we've got une famille. So family is une famille with two L's in it, which sounds like a y. Une famille. I'm going to tell you who they are. Who do you think this is? C'est qui? Oui, c'est le père. So the father. Le papa, if you want. Daddy, the dad. Le père. C'est qui? Who's this? C'est la mère, the mother. La maman. Hein? La mère, mother. La maman, mommy. Ici, c'est le fils, the son. He's also the brother of the daughter, of the sister here. So here is the brother, le frère. So this will be illustrated in our song a bit later on at the end of this lesson. Le frère, brother. You may have heard that word before in a song. And of course this one is the daughter of the parents. La sœur is the sister of the brother here. So la sœur is the sister. Daughter is la fille. So as we had la famille, say it, la famille is the family. The daughter is la fille. And she's also la sœur of him. She's the sister. Okay. That's la famille de souris, of the mice. 5 girafes. Now you're thinking, oh, are there really 5? Oh, I think there's one hiding. Il se cache. He's hiding. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girafes. C'est une famille de girafes. A family of giraffes. Try giving them some names, saying il s'appelle or elle s'appelle. He's called, she's called. Après 5, we have same spelling as English, same word really, just pronounced 6. Très bien. That's quite an easy one. 6 chiens. Hein? On les compte? We count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C'est bien. Après 6, on a 7. C'est bien. Okay, this is the funny word here. We have 7 grenouilles. So again, you've got this y that I talked about in la famille, the family. La fille, the daughter. 7 grenouilles, frogs. Okay, he's having a nice rest. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 grenouilles. Can you think of 7 names for all those frogs? So a family of frogs is une famille de grenouilles. Almost rhymes, doesn't it? Now this one is for a certain little girl qui aime la couleur rose. Now, you don't normally get pink elephants, perhaps, but hey, we can dream. So, it's a shout out for Rosie. This is for you. And also, la grand-mère de Rosie adore les éléphants. La grand-mère, grandmother de Rosie, or Rosie's grandma, adore les éléphants. She happens to be ma sœur. Elle adore les éléphants, Jane. Okay, so here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 éléphants. Flying through the air, these. It's a bit Walt Disney make-believe, isn't it? So, 8 éléphants. Éléphant. So again, we can see pronunciation. We've got éléphant. Éléphant. The 2 E's, oops, like we had in café. Éléphant. Très bien. Now we've got, numbers are getting bigger. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chats. Il y a 9 chats. Ok. Les chats, de quelle couleur ici? Les chats sont noirs. Hein? Noirs. Black cats. Hein? 9 chats. Et en dernier, lastly, we have our number 10. Très bien. 10 hérissons. Now these are lovely animals, aren't they? You see them probably la nuit, at night, because they like to hide and come out in the dark at night, so they're safe. Okay, so we've got 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 hérissons. Alright, and then a few of our animals all together, all on one page. Let's shout them out then. We've got un chien. Répétez, un chien. Hein? Un hérisson. Un hérisson. Une girafe. Une girafe. And some new ones. Un cochon. Un cochon. Un cheval. A horse. Et puis un lion. A lion. He looks quite friendly, doesn't he? And then some more of our animals here that we've seen. We've got un chat. Un chat. Un autre chien. A different kind of dog. Still a dog. Un chien. Un singe. Comment il s'appelle? Oui, il s'appelle Serge. Très bien. Un lapin. Comment il s'appelle? Il s'appelle. So it's the boy rabbit. Il s'appelle. Linked in with our song we're going to sing. Jacques. Très bien. Il s'appelle Jacques, le lapin. Here we've got une grenouille. Probably a bit difficult to pronounce that one, isn't it? Une grenouille. And then here we've got une souris. And we had la famille de souris. Let's go back to them. Where are they? Number 4, weren't they? Quatre souris. Do you remember who these are? We've got, c'est qui? Le père, très bien, ou le papa. La mère, la maman. Here we could say he's the son, which is le fils. Or he's also the brother, le frère, which we're going to look at our song in a moment. And here we've got the daughter, la fille, or la sœur, the sister of him. Good, très bien. So, let me just show you now a few words, because I don't know if you're the same as me, but I like to see things written down because it helps me remember them. Some people are very good just hearing them, the audible, listening, but it's quite nice to have them written down. So we've got people, les personnes, the people we've come across so far. So we've got je, I. Do you remember I said je m'appelle, which is over here? Je m'appelle. Maybe I can try all this. Je m'appelle. My name is. Je m'appelle Suzanne. Comment tu t'appelles? So tu, I'm talking to you, one person. I know there's hopefully lots of you there listening and watching. But tu t'appelles, one person, friendly. You use it with a friend, to a friend, speaking to a friend, speaking to a child as well. Speaking to each other, one person, okay? So, comment tu t'appelles? Donc, tu t'appelles, the little girl that likes elephants and likes pink. Tu t'appelles Rosie. And her brother, le frère de Rosie, il s'appelle Ryan. Bonjour Rosie et Ryan. I'm going to move on to some other children I know who I hope are watching. Un garçon, a boy, qui adore les animaux. Dans le Somerset, oui, c'est Zachary. Donc, il s'appelle Zachary. Et le frère de Zachary, c'est un bébé. He's a baby. Il s'appelle Alex. Très bien. Bonjour. Okay, good. So those are my shout-outs. Now, so we've got je, tu, il. Now, il can be he. Il s'appelle Serge, the monkey. Il s'appelle Ryan. Il s'appelle Zachary. Il s'appelle Alex. But it could be it. So we've got, remember our pens, it's a le. Well, it hasn't got a name, but we could say le stylo, il est de quelle couleur? Il est vert. It is green. Okay, so that's something to look out for, which is a bit different to English, because il is also it. So il s'appelle Ryan, il est vert, the pen. Elle, so the girl, the rabbit. Elle s'appelle Jill, or the little girl likes pink. Elle s'appelle Rosie. Okay, and we're talking about some fruit, because I've got an L here. Oh, where's my curtains? So, la pomme, elle est rouge. La pomme, elle est rouge. Okay, so it also means it. Right, good. So that's the people we've learned so far. Well done. So we've got je, tu, il, elle. That's enough for today. Now, I promised you a song. So what song do you think it could be that incorporates the name of the rabbit, Jacques, and also the boy mouse, Frère? So you turn that around, you've got Frère Jacques. Now, I'm sure you know the words, but let's have a look. They're over here. Chanson is the song. So, where it says times 2, we're going to sing the line twice. Off we go. Frère Jacques, Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous, sonnez les matines, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. So you know this song, I'm sure, and you probably do sing it in French. Frère Jacques, Brother Jack, is talking about a monk, someone in the church, and he's ringing the bells for matins. Sonner is to ring, there's the bells. Dormez-vous, dormez. Think of where you might have seen this door. Dormez. Have you heard of a dormouse? Dormouse likes sleeping a lot. Okay, so dormez is sleeping. Are you sleeping? Dormez-vous. Are you sleeping? Good, so practice singing that song again, okay? And over here we've got the people from La Famille. So I said I'd show it to you written down, La Famille. You've got F-A-M-I-L-L-E. Not only is my writing not great, but also the board is very small, so I've tried to fit it on. At the top of the family here we've got le père, or le papa. Then we've got la mère, la maman. Then we've got le frère, brother, la sœur. I think the le's rubbed off a bit, but it's L-E, like le papa. Le frère, la sœur, sister. And then we've got mum and dad, les parents. Les parents looks just like our word parents, but remember our pronunciation. Notice how the last letter is quiet. Les parents, les parents. Can you say that? Les parents. And here we've got grandparents, les grands-parents, les grands-parents. Okay, so well done everybody. See if you can give those animals some names, calling them il or elle. So we've got il s'appelle Serge. Oh, no, sorry, wrong one. We've got il s'appelle Serge. Le singe, un singe. He's quite nice, isn't he? Il est beau. He's lovely. And then we've got il s'appelle Jacques. Elle s'appelle Jill. Très bien. And then you can practice singing your Frère Jacques as well to finish. Later on in the week, the next lesson, I'll be talking about Easter. Okay, so tune in for that one. But until then, à la prochaine. See you next time.